Hello student, today I am going to start example of combined equation and separate equation of the pair of lines. One example we discuss, find the combined equation of the following pair of lines. First condition is passing through the point 2, 3 and parallel to coordinate axis. Therefore solution is the equation of lines passing through the points AB on the parallel to the coordinate coordinate axis of the form x equal to a and y equal to b. The equation of line passing through the points small ab on the parallel to the coordinate axis of the form x equal to a and y equal to b. Therefore, the given point is AB equal to 2, 3. Therefore, required equation is required equations are therefore x equal to a, this is the coordinate axis. Therefore x equal to a is a 2. First is x equal to 2. Therefore their equation is x minus 2 equal to 0. And second form is y equal to b. Y equal to means the value of b is a 3. Therefore y equal to the value of b is a 3. Their equation is y equal to 3 means the transpose on 3 left side, y minus 3 equal to 0. Join the equation. This is the equation first, x minus 2 equal to 0 and second is y minus 3 equal to 0. Join the equation first and second. Join the equation first and second. Therefore, first is x minus 2 and second is y minus 3 equal to 0. We multiply x minus 2 into y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, first multiply x into y, xy, x into minus 3x, and we multiply minus 2 into y, minus 2y. We multiply minus 2 into minus 3, minus this product is a plus 6 equal to 0. X into y, xy, x into minus 3x, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, and minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. This is the required combined equation. This is the required combined equation of lines. Okay, we discuss the next example. Find the combined equation of the following pair of lines. second condition is passing through the point 2, 3 and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. The next condition is passing through the point 2, 3 and perpendicular to the lines 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation of lines are first equation is 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation first, and second is x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation second. Slope of line first is therefore m equal to the coefficient of minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. The coefficient of x is minus 3 divided by coefficient of y is 3. Coefficient of x is a minus 3 and coefficient of y is a 2. Therefore, slope of line first is m equal to minus 3 by 2. There, the line is perpendicular to first. Therefore, m1 equal to the slope of perpendicular line. Therefore, m1 equal to minus 1 divided by m. M is a minus 3 by 2. The value of m is a minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 equal to, therefore minus 1 divided by base is a 1 and this is the 2 by minus 3. This is the reciprocal of minus 3 by 2 is a 2 by minus 3. Therefore, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 divided by 1 into minus 3 is a minus 3. This slope is a minus cancel. Therefore, the value of m1 is a 2 by 3. This is the slope of line first, which is a perpendicular to 2 by 3. Slope of line second. This equation is a x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. The slope of second line is m equal to the coefficient minus coefficient of x, minus as it is coefficient of x is a 1 divided by coefficient of y is a minus 3. Minus 1 divided by minus 3, minus cancel. The value of m means slope of line is a 1 by 3. The line is a perpendicular to second. The second line is a perpendicular to, that is the slope is a, therefore the slope of line second is a m2 perpendicular to the line. m2 equal to minus 1 by m minus 1 as it is. The value of m is a 1 by 3. Therefore, minus 1 divided by 1 into 1 by 3. The reciprocal of 1 by 3 is a 3 by 1. Therefore, minus 1 into 3 minus 3 divided by 1 means minus 3 is a m2. The slope of m2 is a minus 3. Therefore, equation of passing through the point passing through the point is a given 2, 3. Is a given 2, 3. Therefore, the equation of line passing through the point 2, 3. Therefore, y minus y1 equal to first slope is a m1 into x minus x1. The value of y1 x1 is a 2 and y1 is a 3. Therefore, y minus y1 is a 3, y minus 3 equal to the slope of perpendicular. This is the first line is a m1 equal to 2 by 3. The value of m1 is a 2 by 3 into x minus x1. The value of x1 is a 2, x minus 2. Y minus 3 equal to 2 by 3 into x minus 2. Transpose this 3 on left side. 3 into y minus 3 equal to 2 into x minus 2. We multiply 3 into y, 3y, 3 into minus 3 minus 9 equal to 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Therefore, this 2 transpose on left side. Plus 2x is a minus 2x plus 3y as it is equal to minus 9 transpose on right side minus 4, and this minus 9 is a plus 9 minus 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4 plus 9 plus 5. We multiply minus 1 minus plus 2x minus 3y equal to 5 equal to minus 5. Therefore 2x minus 3y, this minus 5 transpose on left side minus 5 is a plus 5 equal to 0. This is the required first equation. 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, second slope is a m2. Therefore, equation of line second is y minus y1 equal to m2 into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to m2 into x minus x1. Y minus y1 y1 is a 3, point is a 2, 3. This is the x1 is a 2, y1 is a 3, y minus 3 equal to m2 is a minus 3 into x minus x1, x1 is a 2. Therefore, y minus 3 equal to minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. The minus 3x transpose on left side, minus 3x is a plus 3x plus y equal to minus 3 transpose on right side 6 plus 3. Therefore, 3x plus y equal to 6 plus 3 is a 9. Therefore, 3x plus y, 9 transpose on left side, 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation of line second, which is a perpendicular to. This equation is a 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. That is the equation third. And fourth is 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation. Perpendicular to second line is 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. And equation third is, which is a perpendicular to line first, 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, required combined equation. Required combined equation 2x minus 3y 2x minus 3y plus 5 into 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. Third equation is 2x minus 3y plus 5 into fourth equation is 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, we multiply 2x into 3x, 2 into 3 is 6, x into x square, 2x into y, we multiply 2x into y, 2xy, we multiply 2x into minus 9 is a minus 18x, 2x into 3x 6x square, 2x into y 2xy, 2x into minus 9 minus 18x, we multiply minus 3y into 3x minus 9xy, we multiply minus 3y into y minus 3y square minus 3y into minus 9 minus minus plus 3 into 9 is a 27y. We multiply 5 into 3x plus 5 into 3x. This product is a 15x. We multiply 5 into y, 5y. We multiply 5 into minus 9 minus 45y. Minus 45 equal to 0. Therefore, 6x square as it is, 2xy and minus 9xy. This subtraction is a plus 2xy minus 9xy. This addition is a minus 7xy. Plus 2xy minus 9xy minus 7xy minus 3y square plus 15x minus 18x, equating the similar term, minus 18x plus 15x minus 3x. This addition is a minus 3x minus 18x plus 15x minus 3x 27y. This is the coefficient of y, and 5y, equating the similar term, 27y plus 5y. This addition is 27 plus 5 32y, and constant term is a minus 45 equal to 0. This is the required equation. This is the required equation. This is the required combined equation. This is the required combined equation. 6x square minus 7xy minus 3y square minus 3x plus 32y minus 45 equal to 0. Required combined equation. A required combined equation of a line. Required combined equation of a line. Do you understand? We discuss the next condition. Separate equation. Find the separate equation of the lines represented by following equations. First equation is 5x square minus 9 square equal to 0, and second is 2x square minus 3y square equal to 0. We see the first equation is given equation is 5x square minus 9 into y square equal to 0. We use the formula. A square minus b square equal to. We use the formula a square minus b square equal to. This factor is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, 5x square means the square root of 5 is a square root of 5 into x bracket square minus root 5 square means 5, x square means x square, and 9 means 3. The square root of 9 is a 3. 3y bracket square equal to 0. the square root of 9. This is the perfect square of 3 is a 9. The square root of 9 is a 3. 3y bracket square equal to 0. The square root of 5. The square root of 5 is a root of 5 into x bracket square minus 3y bracket square equal to 0. We use the formula a square minus b. This factor is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, first is the value of a is a root 5 into x. Root 5 into x plus 3y. b is a 3y. A plus b. Root 5x plus 3y into root 5 into x. Root 5 into x minus 3y equal to 0. Therefore, their separate equations are first is root 5 into x plus 3y equal to 0 and root 5 into x minus 3y equal to 0. This is the separate equation of pair of lines. This is the separate equation. Root 5 into x plus 3y equal to 0 and root 5x minus 3y equal to 0.